What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Love Like That by Lauv. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 4th fret. It's got a few different parts to the song and I have written out the guitar tab for the entire song, so if you need that, jump into the video description once you get done. The guitar tab is there for you. This song is composed of 4 different parts. You have an intro and your verses, which are the exact same. Then you have pre-chorus that happens right after both verses, which is the exact same both times. You have your chorus, which is again the exact same both times that happens, and then you have your bridge, and then finally you end on the chorus again that just plays until the end of the song. We're going to start out with your intro riff, which is again the same exact thing for both verses as well. On your G string you're going to be picking 4, 8, 4, 3, 6, 3, 1, 4, 1, and then 4 on your D string. And that is going to play through twice, with the only exception being 4 happens on your D string 4 times the first time through, twice the second time through, and then you go back up to the 8th fret on your G string for 2 times through. And I'll show you what that means. So without the alternate picking, just with these notes, it looks like that's the entire riff, and that is what repeats. So again, I'll show you one more time. Now once you get those notes down, you can step it up by adding, you're going to alternate pick your B string open in between each one of those notes. That looks like And just as a little tip, typically when I go to the 4th fret on the D string, I also put my index finger on the 3rd fret. I use my middle finger on the D and my index finger on the 3rd fret of the G, because if you're playing open and you accidentally hit that G string, not gonna sound very good. So the way that I make up for that is I add that index finger on the 3rd fret of the D, and that way if you accidentally hit that D, if you can mute it every single time by just laying your finger on it, that's fine as well, but I just add that index finger on the G string on the 3rd fret and it makes it sound pretty. So all together, the intro riff and the verses look like next, I'll show you the pre-chorus that happens. Again, this happens right after both verses, 2 times in the song. You're gonna put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D, index finger on the 1st fret of the G. That's your first chord. Just those 3 strings, just D, G, B, Slide that down, same formation to 4 and 3. 4 on the D, 3 on the G. And then down to 9 on the D, 8 on the G. And then 6 on the D, 4 on the G. So those are the chords you'll be using, and you're going to be picking, again, that alternate picking. I'm just picking the D and the G at the same time, and then up on the B through all of these chords. 4 times here, 4 times here, 4 times here, 4 times there, 4 times, and then just 1 down strum and let it ring. So that looks like again, just down picking the D and the B, the D and the G on each of these chords, and up picking on the B. Now jumping into the chorus, you're using those same exact chords, you're just playing them in a different order. Starting down here on your 9 and 8 on the D and the G string. Then down to 4 and 3, 6 and 4, and then 2 and 1. And you're doing the same exact 4, alternate picking 4 times through each one. Again, I'll play through it one more time. It looks like your 4 and 3 chord there, and you just 1 time strum and let it ring. Now finally, we're going to cover the bridge using the same chords, starting on 2 and 1, 9 and 8, 4 and 3, 2 and 1, 9 and 8, 4 and 3, 2 and 1, and then it ends on 4 and 3. And now this one's a little bit different because you're going to stay here for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's that entire thing. Then it jumps back into the chorus, so. Do it one more time. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist, and the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then, once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free, brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.